welcome back to my channel. So this hairstyle was a little bit of a surprising one. It didn't go as I planned, but I absolutely love the result that came out. So because I find I have a little bit of a big forehead, I tend to always leave out some hair at the front, optional for yourself. Then you want to grab some little hairs and you want to start doing the effect of a French braid. But the trick with this is you want to leave it super loose, and you don't want to take hair from the very front of your face. You want to take it from around the braid, because you're going to be pulling all the rest of the hair up anyway, and it's going to be covered up. But you just want to take it from the sides, but you want to keep this really loose, and you'll see what I do in a moment, just to cover it over and to give it a little bit of volume. So you just want to keep making the braid effect and just keep going with that. You just want to finish your braid the whole way down and tie with a little elastic. You just want to tie with a little elastic band. So then you want to pump up the hair and you want to just pull it all out. Now the next bit was a surprise for me. I didn't really mean to do, but ended up doing. I pushed the braid forward as I pulled it all out and put in a few hairpins. I put in 4 or 5, and it just gave me that height and that real glam 60s vibe that I didn't realize I was going for, but I went for in the end, and it was super nice. And then you want to grab your hair up in a little ponytail, and just as high as you can possibly go. You just want to grab it up and give the ponytail, after you tie it, a little bit. So once you get all the hair into the ponytail, you want to give it a little bit of back combing. Tie it nice and tightly just so it's not loose and doesn't fall out. So after you back comb, you want to twist it around, and you want to just shape it into the design that you want it to go, whether you want it to be a big top knot. If you have longer hair than me, that might be better. But I kind of fanned mine out to keep it looking a little bit more 60s kind of vibe, and keeping the height all there. And then that was it. That was the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and check out all my other videos. All my social links are linked below, and I'll see you in the next one. And I hope you're enjoying this whole month of hair tutorials. If you've any ideas, I have loads listed. Comment them below. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.